Hello Explorers, welcome back. So it is currently, I don't even know what the date is. It's a really good question, you guys. Tuesday. So I never film videos this late. I usually batch film like several days in advance. But I told you October is crazy and it just got worse. Like crazier. So it was already crazy busy just because I have a lot of partnerships. I had hotel partnerships that were rescheduled because of Helene. I had just so much going on. And then here comes Milton. Good old Hurricane Milton. So we did evacuate after the show on Monday, which was phenomenal. I cried like a baby. It was Joey Fatone and Friends at Epcot. I treated us to the dining so that we could get VIP seating for one of the shows. We went to all 6 shows. There were 3 on Sunday, 3 on Monday. We went to all 6 of them. We had the VIP dining seating for the very last show, the 8 p.m. show on Monday. But funny enough, the 6:45 show, there was not very many people there, so we actually had the exact same seat, like literally the exact same seat. I was in the same seat for the 6:45 showing, and then the 8 p.m. showing, I got in the VIP line, and that was the same seat I got. So I got that same seat twice, but didn't have to pay for it one of the times, because there just wasn't as many people at the middle show, which was crazy because so Sunday, which was day 1 of Joey Fatone and Friends, the and friends are the random people that he brings, and you never know who they're going to be. I was hoping he was going to bring Lance Bass. So the first set, he brought out Ryan Cabrera. He brought out a girl that he had brought last year, which I'm not super impressed with. He brought out his sister to sing a song with him, and then he brought out I think that was it for the first set. And then the second set, he brought out Ryan Cabrera again. And he brought out Lou Diamond Phillips. You guys, I love him. One of my guilty pleasure shows is Longmire, which is funny because I know most people don't know Lou Diamond Phillips from Longmire. They think of him, with La Bamba and stuff, a lot of his bigger pieces that he's done. But I am obsessed with the show Longmire. If you haven't seen it, watch it. And I just restarted it last week because Corey's never watched it with me and we ran out of shows to watch. And I mentioned, I was like, I just love everything he plays in. I love him as an actor. And then he surprised us and he was the guest. He was the and friends for set 2. And then he brought out one of the actresses from High School Musical, the series. So she sang. And then set 3 on Sunday, he brought Ryan Cabrera back out and he brought out Lou Diamond Phillips again. So I was like, okay, well, we're not getting Lance Bass today. Hopefully we'll get him tomorrow. So then Monday, first set, wasn't impressed. He brought out Ryan Cabrera again, which I love Ryan Cabrera, so I was not upset about that. He brought out Ryan Cabrera again. He brought out the girl again, and that was it. And I was like, okay, so it's going to be the exact same set, just in different order as the day before. But we didn't bother trying to get seating for the first set because I told Corey, I was like, let's just wait in line. We'll let everybody pass us, and then we'll be at the front of the line for set 2. So that's what we did, because otherwise, if you go in and watch set 1, while set 1 is going on, they line up everybody for set 2, so you really you're going to get terrible seats for set 2. And that's how they do it. When set 2 is in there, then they line up for set 3 while that show is going on. So I was like, let's just skip set 1. We'll watch it from the line so that we can have really good seats for set 2. So that's what we did, which was great because set 1, It was actually my least favorite of all of them out of all 6. He didn't play very many good songs. I just wasn't impressed with that set. Set 2, we get phenomenal seats. Phenomenal. I'm in the aisle. And second row in the aisle. And all of a sudden, he yells in the middle of a song, mind you, like everybody else he was introducing before the song started, middle of the song, he yells Lance, and Lance comes running down the aisle next to me up onto the stage. And I started crying. I did. I started crying. But then I looked at the girl that was in front of me because I was in the second row. I looked at the girl in front of me and her husband was videoing her because she was crying too. So I was like, well, at least it's not just me. So that was amazing. And I got really good videos. Corey videoed all of set 2 and set 3 on Monday, which were the best sets. They were both of the ones that Lance was in. Lou Diamond Phillips was in them. Ryan Cabrera was in them. That girl was in them again. So he filmed all of them, like the entire both sets. So we'll be putting that up eventually. It's going to take a while. But right after that, we came home, we packed up, and we hit the road. So we have been up since Monday morning, because Monday we got up early so that we could start prepping because we knew we were going to be evacuating after the show. We got up Monday early, prepped everything, and then we ended up actually leaving for the show earlier because my friend had to cancel. She was in an evacuation zone, so she ended up having to evacuate and not be able to go to the dinner with me because it was supposed to be me and her. So instead, I changed our reservation and I added 2 additional people to it because it was just supposed to be me and her, and then Corey and the kids were just going to get whatever seating they could get. But I ended up adding 2 people to the reservation, and we went as a family to the dinner. But the time changed. Like, the original time that we had wasn't available, so we had to go earlier. So we had to, like, rush, get ready, get to Epcot, get to our dinner reservation. Went to all 3 shows. Oh, shoot. Okay, I am back. I had forgotten my receipt in the office at this campsite, so they were bringing it to me. We went to the show, came home, packed everything up, hit the road at like 12:30 at night. Yeah, it was like 12:30 at night. We were supposed to be heading to Mississippi, but I didn't want to get stuck in Mississippi, you guys. I just didn't. The thought of getting stuck there again, I was dreading it. So our original plan was we would go to Mississippi for 2 days, see how the storm, like what kind of damage Orlando, our area has. And if it was bad, then, and we knew it was going to be a while before we could come back. And by bad, really our concern was whether or not we were going to have power. So if we were going to be without power for a couple days, then we were going to leave Mississippi and go up to a friend of mine in Memphis, because she's also an influencer, and we're actually doing a campaign. We're doing a campaign, this one of the same ones. Like, I don't want to say together because we're not doing it together. She's doing it, but I'm also on it. Like, we're both on the same campaign. So we were going to go up to her, and then we could work on it together, which would be really helpful because she's got a lot more stuff than I do since she's in a house. And we could work on a bunch of other campaigns together, help each other out. But if there wasn't damage and we were able to go right home, then we weren't as far away, and we could just turn around and come home after like 2 days. But I really did not want to go to Mississippi, and Corey was getting really tired, because it was like noon. And so I was like, well, we're going through Destin. Let's see if we can find something in Destin, because that's not in the path of the hurricane. So I looked in Destin. Destin was completely booked. But I was able to find something in Pensacola. So luckily, like, I called and I was like, hey, we evacuated Orlando. Do you have any availability? Like, what are the chances that you can get us a site today? Like, we're on our way. And she was like, let me move some bookings around and see what I can do. And she was able to get us in. So we just got here. Literally, they haven't unpacked anything, haven't set anything up, except I told Corey, can you set the table up? Because I don't have a video for tomorrow. So I'm going to film and then I'm going to go to bed. So it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Like I said, I've been up since yesterday at, I don't even know, like 11 maybe? 10 or 11 a.m. So I'm real tired. I slept a little bit in the car, but I try not to sleep when I know Corey's going to be tired. I try to stay up with him. We did pull off at a truck stop and he took a nap for 3 hours, but the truck stop was actually full. Like all of the truck stops are full all the way up. So we were just off on the side with a couple of other semis. So while he napped, I stayed awake that whole time. So I'm very, very, very tired. He already went to go to bed. But yeah, so we are in Pensacola, which I was excited about. We've never been here. Like I said, I wanted to go to Destin because we love Destin, but this is only like 40, 45 minutes on the road. So I figured it's got to be just, like the beaches have got to be just as nice. And if not, then we'll, drive the 45 minutes to Destin. But I'm just so excited to sit on a beach. We have not been to the beach since moving to Florida. In fact, we haven't been to the beach, I think, since last July. Yeah, when we went on the cruise, which is so crazy because I grew up going to beaches like every day. I literally, like, my hometown is now a national park, like the beaches. So I grew up on the beach. But living in the desert, So I know we haven't started cash stuffing. I don't normally talk this long before I start cash stuffing, but I didn't want to have to, like, delay in the middle of cash stuffing. I figured it's easier for you guys to skip through this if you didn't want to actually watch this part versus me dragging out the cash stuffing. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, I think we're going to go to sleep, get some sleep, and then tomorrow I'm going to get some campaigns done that I need to get done because everything is getting so just messed up with the constant hurricanes delaying things, and it's just, it's been awful. But I think Thursday is the day that we're going to go to the beach, which I don't want to say too loud because the kids have no idea where we're at. They thought we were going to Mississippi, so they didn't know, which we thought we were too. So 5. Yes, I have a tan line. My watch, you guys know I wear my watch all the time, but it died. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are doing the front side. $5. So, keep an eye on my travel YouTube if you enjoy concerts. I did post just one song from Aloe Black. It was his song that he has with Avicii, the Wake Me Up. So I posted that full video. I just filmed that on my phone, so it's not like the greatest quality in the entire world. But it's not bad. My phone still films in 4K. Just not nearly as good as my camera. And then, yeah, like I said, Corey filmed the whole set 2 and 3 of Sunday. I filmed a couple of additional videos he filmed set 2 and 3 on Monday. I filmed videos on Sunday because we made him wait in line for one of the sets while me and the kids went and watched the show so that we would have a good seat for set 2. Sorry, I'm super thirsty. I didn't drink anything in the car because I had to go to the bathroom. 5 again. So now I'm like super thirsty. Okay. Let's see how much it's worth. $1. $1. Let's do the book. Maybe. No, let's do the little outfit. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. We'll do the book. Trying not to put a whole lot of ink on these pages because they do bleed if you use Sharpie. But now I have Ryan Cabrera stuck in my head because I listened to him play on the way down 2 days in a row, and then I don't know if Corey had heard this, like, he didn't listen to Ryan Cabrera when he was big, like I did, like, I loved him, so I don't think he really knew the song, and now he's played it, he played it in the car like 3 times, and I was so excited, I was like, I love him. 9, so that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, is that right? Yes, okay, I know France is 10, so... And no, I did not figure out where that $4 goes. I have it sitting off to the side because I don't know where it goes. I should go back and watch the video so I can figure it out, but I just don't. It's not a big deal. Okay, so we're doing the back. And I'm just going to do... Oh, how much is it worth? 6. I'm just going to do one of these because these are easy. I do not know where the post office is here, but tomorrow when I start filming, so basically when you guys see this, when I start filming content that I have to get done, and posting content that I've got to get posted, and just catching up on emails, and just all the stuff I need to do, I'm going to get those orders packaged up, and then hopefully we can find a post office and drop them off. I don't like having open orders just sitting. Plus, I want you guys to be able to start on your books. So 6. You guys, I just put that in 5. I know I did. And that was Morocco. I know you guys are yelling at me. That needed to go in 9. Okay. So, 6 is... Italy, right? Let's just double check. Again? Okay. I thought somebody was knocking on our door again. Alright, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Italy. And we are coloring. Wow, we're doing a lot on the back sides. We're just going to do a pasta. And it is $1. Oh my goodness. Alright. I know a bunch of you got your books October 1st. Let me know how you're liking them. And what you're using them to save for. Actually, no. If you got your book and you have a channel, tag me or let me know in the comments. Like, comment from that channel page so that I can go watch your videos. If you don't have a channel, then let me know what you're using it to save for. Because I would love to know. Alright, where are we going? 2, that is Mexico. That I know. Okay. And are we coloring? Oh my goodness, we're coloring on all of these. We don't have any color left on this one. You know what? Let's do this bottle of tequila. How much is it worth? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do this cactus. And then I kind of want to do a little bit of orange. I like it. So putting 4 into 2. Nine. That is Morocco again. It is doing all the same ones. That's a 2. We're doing the front side. $10. Yeah, otherwise we weren't going to make it through this. This video is going to be 45 minutes just... Well, my videos are normally 45 minutes. So, it was going to be real long. $10. Going into 9. Number 6. Italy. We're doing a pasta. And how much is the pasta worth? $4. Going into 6. Number 1, Epcot. $6. $5 and $6. And since Epcot is only one side, once the Epcot gets finished, I will add in, we'll do this one. Because this is number 13. Alright, where are we going? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. China. Backside. It is worth $3. Let's do the chopsticks. I'll make them look like Corey's chopsticks that he has. Yeah, I guess this color. These are like, they're blue and black, but it's not quite a navy blue, but it's also not quite a cobalt blue. And then I think they have some like wood look to them too. I don't know. We don't brown. Number 9 again. Morocco. Oh yeah, that one bled really bad. 5, and it's worth $3. Crazy, because sometimes they bleed really bad, and then sometimes they don't. Because, like, these two bled really bad. I guess these ones did down here, too. Oh, well. What you gonna do? Where are we going? To Mexico. Backside. $5. We'll do the sombrero. Let's make it, no. I thought about making it like fun colored, but I'm really liking the way I have this looking right now, so I don't want to mess it up. Let's do that. Do that. Love it. Did I say how much this was? Yeah, I already put it in there as a 5. Number 6. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's Italy again. And 6. We're doing the front. Ooh, Italy's a big one. And we get a $10. I was really hoping for something big because doing all these backside ones, the highest I can get is 6. Then we keep getting a bunch of 1s. So this book's gonna, this video is gonna take forever. I'm gonna have to start doing 2. So this is going into number 6. Number 6 again. Front side again. Let's see, let's get a big one. 22, that's better. Still not big. The biggest on here is going to be a 30. Oh no, the biggest on here is a 27, and we already uncovered that one. Usually I put a 30 in a $200 challenge. Alright, so 22. 22. Let's actually swap out some of these because I'm running out of 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'll help. Ooh, 11. 11 is the UK. And we're doing the backside. And it is worth $3. Okay. I'm gonna make this super easy. No, I'm not. Let's see. How do I want to do this? One thing I want to do when we go to the UK is I want to see the King's Guards. I want to color the whole thing, but I know I can't. I specifically want to see the ones that have the, that are mounted. That have the horses. I watch all those videos. I just love them. Did I already put the money in? Yeah, I've been pretty good about it. Number 6 again. I'm going to start memorizing what each one is. Backside again. For $4. 4. We're going to finish number 6 with how many times it's rolled. Alright, let's do the Vespa. And these metallic ones, I don't believe bleed through, so we're going to color it. Love it. Did I decide how much this was worth? I don't even remember, you guys. Yes, I did. Oh, I am so tired. Number 1, Epcot. I think there's only a couple left. Yeah, 3. There's going to be 2 left on Epcot. $5. $5. So a 5. Let's see what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 8. Oh, we haven't done 8 yet, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Japan! We're doing the back side. My goodness, I'm so tired of coloring, you guys. And it's worth $3. That is going into 8. And actually, I hope I didn't put that. No, okay. Which one do I want to do? Let's just do the yen. Okay. Mexico. Please scratch. Yes. Ooh, this is going to be a big one. 16. No, it's not. Why on the scratch ones I'm even getting small numbers? 16. 10, 15, 16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Four. 2, 3, 4. China. We've done 1 on China today. We're doing the front. We haven't scratched much on China. 16. So 10, 15, and 16. Four again. Backside. Let's do... We'll do the lanterns. I don't have a brown though. Ugh. We're just gonna do gray. This is horrible coloring. Oh well. It is what it is. And it is worth $5. Number 12, which is Canada. Canada doesn't get rolled very often. And we are doing the front side. For $2. 1 and 2. Okay, we're getting down there. If you've hung out with me for this long, I appreciate it. 3. So that is the back side. And it's worth $2. And that is going into number 11. We're definitely getting all of these color ones done today. That is an 8. So that was 11, 10, 9, 8 is Japan. Backside. for $2. Oh my goodness. Let's do these cherry blossoms. That looks so pretty, even though I did a terrible job coloring it. Number 12. Canada. Front side. $4. So this is actually where we went to eat. So you take this little pathway up, and this right here, I can't pronounce it, but in English, I would pronounce that Cellier. That's not how they pronounced it, like, at all. But it's the Canadian Steakhouse. Oh my god, it was phenomenal. It was a pre-selected, like, dining plan. And by that, like, we got to choose every single thing that we ate. But it was a set pricing. Oh, yeah, this is the $4 that I don't know where it goes. It was set pricing, so it was automatically $99 for each adult and $39 for each kid. And then, I believe that's Japan. With that, we got a drink, an entree, a sauce for our entree if we chose a steak, a side, and a dessert. And you guys, I want to go back so bad, but it was so expensive. 1, 2, 3, 4 going into Japan. We're running out of ones here, though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, we're only gonna have a couple. We're getting down on the icons here. Just trying to pick things that are quick to color, because I've already taken up so much of your guys' time. And I just don't have much more to talk about since I talked about everything at the beginning. I kind of word vomited at the beginning, but I was so excited. I haven't talked to you guys in so long because the last time I filmed was early last week because I knew we were going to be busy with the shows and stuff. So yeah, I batch filmed, and so it had been a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is Germany. Okay, we did Germany earlier, but it's been a little bit. Backside again. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Missed that tray completely. Let's do this little... Sure, I'm really liking just sticking to this color scheme on this page. So we'll do red. We'll do green. We're gonna do yellow. I think that's literally all I'm gonna do. I don't want to sit and color everything. So 3 is Norway. We haven't done Norway today. Ooh, okay. We're doing the back. Okay, if you're from Norway and I do your flag wrong, I apologize. I think this is the way it looks. No, I'm gonna look it up. 'Cause I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm right. I'm not gonna color it just because it bleeds real bad. I can already see how bad it's bleeding through. Oh, well. The building is dark, so you really actually can't see it, which is nice. And I didn't put the money in. 6. Ooh, okay. At least it's a decent amount going in. And that's going into number 3. It's crazy how many of these locations we're planning on checking off in our, like in 2025, in next year's travel plans. Because as you guys know, we are going to Mexico in December. I'm so excited. I've had like 5 resorts agree to host me. We're just trying to nail down dates because it's a little difficult. My birthday is December 30th. So so far all of them have said like we cannot host that week. I'm like, I totally get it because that's the week of Christmas. So we're just trying to decide what week. And then since so many of them have agreed to host, I'm trying to coordinate it so that maybe we can just stay longer because, I mean, we don't have anywhere to go. 9. So that's Morocco. Backside for $2. So, we're going to Mexico in December. We're planning on this place in like end of March, beginning of April. It's going to depend on flights. Whatever week is the cheaper for flights for her birthday. And then June we're planning on Japan. And September we're planning on the UK. Nine again. 1. I'm just going to stick to the blue because I like it. No, let's do yellow for the stars. And it is $5. Wow, this is way out of order. Okay, let's do 5 and 5 is $10 because I ran out of 5s. I don't have any big bills, you guys. I have a plan though. 4. So 4 is China. We're doing the front. $10. Like I said, we're getting all the lower numbers. That's why we're getting so much done in the book. Let's see this. $10 going into number 4. Okay, so that's 28 left. We're going to number 5, which is Germany. We are doing the backside. And it is worth $5. So we only have the stamp and the country left. Let's do the stamp in... I was going to do it in... Yeah, let's do it in yellow. that works. Okay. Number 8. Japan. Backside. $2. Okay. Number 10. We haven't done 10 yet. 10 is... My goodness. Come on. Oh, we have done... No. 10 is France. We haven't done France today. And we're doing the back side. I was hoping we were doing the front because those are high numbers. $3. Oh, you know what? We were doing the macarons. Love it. 7. Oh, 7 is America. Living in America. $2. Or, I mean, front side. Ah. They are weed whacking. $6. We're getting down there, guys. We got 12 left. Wait a second. 11, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Like, that just didn't seem like enough money for how much is done on this one. Alright, this is probably going to be the last one. Let's see. 4 is China. Ooh, we can't scratch. So, we are going to do a backward side. $4. We don't have enough to scratch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll take this 10. We'll do the stamp. And then we're going to take the rest of this. My goodness. Where's the front? Where's the... Of course, I'm like... You guys. Oh. I turned right past it. Let me grab this. And this. And we will use the rest. In here. Because we are desperately trying to finish this challenge. Alright, let's see. What do we get? What do we get? We have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. $8 left. We cannot do a 5. Oh, what can we do? We can do the 2 4s. So it looks like that's what we're going to do. That is not the right color. So now we just have 2s and 5s left. So we have 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, $23 left, you guys. Let's put it back here. Oh my goodness. So this one has 1, 2, 210, 220, 230, 240, 241, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 81. Did I not do this correctly? So I have 281. Let's do some math. So there should be 13. 5, 10. 1, 2, 210, 220, 230, 240, 241, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71. Apparently I can't count. So 23 is what we should have left. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, wait a second. Wait a hot second. Okay. Well, guys, that is all that I have for you today. I'm not going to go through and count. I should. And the reason I say this, not because I need to count them, but I had a plan. And I need to do it. So, if you want to stick around, feel free. But I'm just going to be swapping some of this stuff out because, again, I don't have large bills. So, anything that's over 100 is getting swapped for a placeholder so that I can take the money that's in my bank account. No, I don't want to do that. Hold on, I have an idea. Alright, so this one is Epcot. 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48 in Epcot. Mexico. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 107. Not going to swap this one because there's no high yield for this one. I probably should make one. You know what? I should make a high yield for this, but I'll wait. I think maybe what I might do is just put it in with Lennox's birthday high yield and just label the deposit as Mexico. So then next is Norway. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25. So 25 in Norway. China. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. Germany, 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Italy, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Japan. So if this one's over 100, it will go into a high yield. 10, 15, 25, 26, 27. How did I get... Oh, no, you guys, I'm sorry. That's America. 27. That makes... I'm like, there's no way that is Japan's. So if Japan's is over 100, I will put a placeholder, and because we do have a Japan high yield. And that way I have some big bills, because I have money sitting in my account. I just don't have the time to go to the bank, obviously, with everything that's going on. I don't even know if there is one down here. Or, I guess up here. I'm not down anymore, I'm up. If there is one here. So, wherever I can pull money and put it into the high yield, I'm going to, because there's money sitting in my bank account that I can do that with, and then I can use this cash to cash stuff. Versus having to try and find a bank to pull the money out of the bank to cash stuff. So 20, 40, dang it, not enough. 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 58 for Japan. Morocco. 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3. There is one that I think I can pull from. And that is France, hopefully. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 116. But since this one is going towards Lennox's birthday, I can go ahead and put a placeholder in there. Because we do have a high yield for her birthday. And then that will help out. So now I have 20s. Yay! UK, again, we have a high yield for UK. So if there's 100 here, it's going in the high yield. 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, and 3. 53. Okay, so the France one's the only one going in the high yield. Canada. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. And that is it. Like I said, I don't know where this $4 goes. I guess it's really not that big of a deal. At the end of the day, I'm gonna actually leave all of the money in here, other than what I put in the high yield. I'm not gonna take these out, I don't think, as each one completes. So that at the end we can count all of the money that this brings in. This one just won't be in a specific envelope. I do know that it went into the binder somewhere. I just don't know where. So if anybody decides to go back and watch last week's video and can recognize where that $4 goes, let me know. Let me know. Because I really don't know. So, she thick. Alright guys, that is all that I have for you today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for Lennox's birthday cash stuffing. So until next time,